So hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Anil. So in this video I'm going to introduce the concept of vector dot product. So this is the general representation of vector. So the general representation of vector is 3 I hat plus j hat plus 2 k hat. So this is the vector. So this is how we are going to represent the vector. So I have taken here two vectors, vector a bar as 3 I hat plus j hat plus 2 k hat, and I have taken one more vector b bar as 2 I hat plus 2 j hat plus k hat. Now I want to do dot product between these two vector. Always remember that whenever we do dot product we always get a number. So that is why the dot product is also known as scalar product. So how we are going to do? Focus on I hat component in both the vector. I hat component what we have here 3 and 2. Just multiply them 3 times 2. Focus on j hat component both the vector. What I have coefficient 1, coefficient 2. Multiply them 1 into 2. Focus on k hat component both the vectors. So what we have coefficient here 2, here we have coefficient 1. Just multiply them 2 times 1. So we get finally result as 10. Always remember that dot product means we get a number. That's why dot product is also known as scalar product. And this is how we represent the vector. The same vector how we are going to represent a matrix means we have to represent using column. So 3 I hat means first is 3, then j hat coefficient is 1, that I have represented here, k hat coefficient is 2, that I have represented here. So always remember that the vector representation in matrix is column vector. Same thing, if you want to represent row vector means we have to take transpose. So like we have done here dot product, right? So in matrix multiplication, if we need to do one of the vector, we need to take transpose. Only then we are able to do matrix multiplication, because the rule is that the columns here and the rows here should match. So for that, one of the matrix we have to take transpose. The moment we take transpose, the rule of matrix multiplication is going to satisfy, and we get the same result here. The result here is 10 and the result here is 10. So this is how we are going to analyze between vector dot product and matrix multiplication. Thank you.